रस्ते हुंपाक योग्य सुवातो असतात. झेब्रा क्रॉसिंगा वयल्यानच रस्तो क्रॉस करपाचो असता, पूण बहुतेक जाणांक ते खबरय आसना. आपणाक जाय थंयल्यान रस्तो क्रॉस करतात. रस्त्या वयले नेम जाण जावन घेवचे रस्त्या वयल्यान चलप्यांनी आनी गाड्यो चलोवप्यांनी. वास्को पुलीस आनी गोवा कॅनात आव्हान केला. रस्त्या वयल्या अपघातांक आमी सरकाराक जबाबदार धरतात. तातूंत तथ्य आसा खरें, पूण अपघाताक रस्त्या वयले नेम मोडून गाड्यो चलोवपी तितलेच जबाबदार असतात, अशें वास्को पुलिसांनी सांगले. वास्को सध्या 7वी संयुक्त राष्ट्र संवसारीक रस्तो सुरक्षा सप्ताह चल्ला. त्या निमतान गोवा कॅनाचे मजतीन पुलिसांनी नगरपालिका आनी सिव्हिल कोर्टा म्हऱ्यात जागोर केलो.
See, today we along with Goa Can members, police station, Vasco police station staff and traffic staff, they have organized a drive to educate the people, not only the two-wheelers and four-wheelers, even the pedestrians, to use the zebra crossing. You have seen most of the people, they don't use zebra crossing. So we are telling all the people to use the zebra crossing.
आज आम्ही जो ड्राइव केला, it is part of the United Nations global road safety week from 15 to 21st. Now, as we had recently had the meeting of the Municipal Road Safety and Traffic Management Committee, we decided to have one action here at Vasco along with traffic police. Because see, what is very important, we have to create the awareness among the public. Now, simple issue I will tell you, we are standing here at a zebra crossing. But if you see in the circle today here, I am watching from morning, that people are walking anywhere. People are not aware that zebra crossing is for themselves. They have to walk on the zebra crossing, cross the road there. And the drivers and riders should respect the people who are going on the zebra crossing.
झेब्रा क्रॉसिंगाचो वापर जायनाच ते विशीं गोवा कॅन आनी ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी जागृताय केलीच. तेच बरोबर हेल्मेट वापरिनासतना आनी बेल्ट घालिनासतना वाहनां चलोवपी सभाग्यांकय सुनायले. हाडबडीत आनी बेशिस्तीन गाडी चलयल्ल्यान रस्त्या वयल्यान चलपी लोकांक कितें भोगचें पडटा तेवूय सांगले. ऐकात.
Now, this is a combination of both. So, one of the awareness programs that we are taking up today, first and foremost, that people who are wearing 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 helmet, but they are not putting the strap, or they are driving in a fancy car which is nearly 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs, but they are not wearing the seat belt, and not the core passenger is not wearing the seat belt. Now, husband is driving, wife is not wearing the seat belt. So, these are the simple issues. Now, it doesn't mean that there are no problems related to PWD, or there are no problems related to director of transport, or there are no problems related to traffic police. But what we are saying today, our message is very clear. Road safety and traffic management is everybody's business. Everybody has to be involved in it. That's why our appeal today, that business houses, social clubs of Vasco, social workers, different agencies, Sapta committee, Ganesh Mandal committee, all of them have to get involved with coming out with small messages. Today we are seeing the senior citizens are struggling to cross the road. Okay, our young boys you see today, they see a big road, they are driving bindas, no following the lane discipline. And we are very concerned why today we see that 127 people died in Goa in 120 days. That means we have lost one person every 22 hours.
Simultaneously, we are even telling the helmet users, two-wheeler who are using helmets, they are not fastening the belts. So we are telling that strap which is there, they have to put the strap particularly. Even the pillion riders who are not wearing, we are telling them that even the pillion riders should wear a helmet. And two-wheelers, four-wheelers also we are telling them to wear seat belts. Or not only the driver, but everybody in the car has to wear the seat belts.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, जवाहर बर्वे आणि निखिल चलमी.